droga yung commander-in-chief. Issue ng droga. Kung ako yung nakaupo, commander-in-chief mo, and ganon, may balitang ganon, even with or without the benefit of the Pulveron video, as the chief of staff of the armed forces, responsible for 180, around that much, 180,000 men, and PNP for about 200,000 men, and 117 million Filipinos that I have sworn to defend, pati yung Constitution, na pinagbabawal yung mga ganyang offenses. Presidente ka, droga ka. Sasabihin mo, kung ako yun, ang standard, sinabi ko sa vlog, ang standard is, bossing, pwede bang makausap ka sandali? Tayo lang. Tayo lang. Bossing, yung issue kasi sa droga